Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to verify ID on Airbnb. First, open the Airbnb website and log into your account. Make sure you are using the correct email and password for the account you want to verify. After logging in, look at the top right corner of the page. You will see a menu icon with 3 lines. Click on this menu icon to open more options. From the options, select Account Settings. This will take you to your personal account settings page. On the personal information page, you will see an option called Identity Verification. Right next to it, there is a button labeled Start. Click on the Start button to begin the verification process. The next step is to add your government ID. Click on the Add ID button. After you click on Add ID, there will be 2 options. The first option is to take a photo with your webcam. If you want to verify without using the app, click on this option and select the ID you want to show, such as a driver's license, passport, or identity card. After that, your webcam will open so you can take a photo of your ID. If you prefer to use the app option, click on that. It will show a QR code. Scan the QR code with your mobile camera and follow the on-screen steps to complete the verification on the Airbnb mobile app. Thanks for watching.